All right, sorry guys, was getting stuff set up. Good morning, everybody. All right, people are saying horse 3 will win today. I will not betray horse 3. Bro got the hair all slicked back, serious today. What's up, guys? It's good to see you all. You know, I'm a horse betting commissioner now, guys. I have to look the part. So this is a very serious profession, serious sport that we're doing. So I'm treating it as such, you know. So we're gonna dress up for it. Oh yeah, there he is, baby. Barrage. We're gonna get a huge move in the first 30 minutes. 95% sure. I love that energy, man. That's what we need to bring into the day. All right, market open right now, guys. The market is open. Let's see. I'm getting both chats pulled up. We got 15 minutes that we can wait anyway. So we are good. All right, what are we going to do? What are we going to do here? Looks like we're just going to sell off straight down to Hades at the bell. Let's see if we pop under 23.3 here. Likely we're going to. Staying hydrated. Got the diet root beer out. Great day ahead, guys. And then I know what everybody's waiting for today. We got it right here. We got the tracks ready. We're not going to race just yet, but rest assured, I got all the horses lined up here. I switched around the colors, so you know they're not in the same lane today. Although I think number 3, I think that's the same horse. That dark blue one is still in lane 3. So you guys that are riding true for number 3, he's in the same lane. Good to see a lot of you guys in here. This is going to be a very fun week, guys. We're going to make a lot of money trading. We're going to make money on horse betting. We're going to have fun doing it. It's rigged. It's not rigged, man. Oh, nice, Matt. Payday for him and his Halcyon accounts. Let's go, baby. That's what we like to hear. Good morning, Sean. Yeah, man, let's get your payday today. Let's see what we're going to do here, guys. What are we going to do? We're likely going under 23.3. I'm going to take a quick stab here, hoping that we don't bounce off of this. I know I'm trading a little bit early, but it looks like we want to go under that 23.3, man. Put my stop loss up here at 39. And it very well could come up and tag it. We'll see. But I want to bust under that 3, man. Put another one on to do it. I know I'm trading early today, guys. I'm just ready to get going. If we hold that 300 level, that's going to be interesting. And it looks like we very well could. Let's see. There's a little bit of life here, guys. Let's see. Take one of those back off there to limit some risk. See if we can pull this thing off here, guys. It's possible. Can we break 300, man? Can we do it? She's definitely trying, guys. She's definitely trying. Take one more off right there, just to really take all my risk away. Pull this down now to end the profit. That's fine. Can we bleed it out? Okay, maybe. Alright, I'm tagged right there. I made 50 bucks grand total. That was a little early for me to take a trade. It just, to me, looked like it was going to break under 23.3, and it still very well could. That's just, sometimes even I need those reminders. Stick to your rules, Gary. And the rule is wait the first 15 minutes because you don't get crazy wicks like we just saw right there. And, you know, that's case in point. I mean, it worked out for me this time. I made 50 bucks. I didn't lose money. But that's case in point as to why I just need to wait those first 15 minutes every day. Because you get those crazy wicks and stuff. I mean, you think you got the read on the momentum in the first 15, and then it can just reverse on a dime on you. So I made it green out of there because I averaged down, managed risk a little bit, but not the smoothest trade that I've ever done. But I do think we're going to crash under 300 here. And when I say crash, I don't necessarily mean a huge sell-off. Don't get crazy. I just mean quite literally that it'll pop under 300. It does look like we could be putting in a bear flag here, though, guys. I will say that much. Potential bear flag on the field here. I'm going to take another little stab short here on this potential bear flag forming up. Stop right here at this wick, because then that invalidates my bear flag. Let's see. Can the bear flag keep forming, or are we going to pop up out of it here? All right. Bear flag broke. Invalidated, so that's fine. I'm going to sit here now, wait these next 5 minutes or so. Let the open range be in. Only down 200 bucks. It was worth a shot right there for me, thinking that 300 actually might want to fail, forming a bear flag on it. I took the shot. Although now it looks like we want to go up there and break 50. Let's see. Let's go do the thing. Okay. Stopping the profit right there. That's fine. How much more can we go? Okay, come on, baby. Let's do the thing. All right, we're back green, guys. No problem. Canceled it out. We are back in the green. And guys, I just trade momentum. Like, I trade directional momentum. I took the shot down there when the momentum looked like it was going to break under 300. Didn't break under 300. Took a paper cut. got the read that we want to come up and break above the 50s. So I went along, and that's exactly what we did. No problem. If you guys have been watching me these last several weeks, you guys know I don't mind to, take many trades, and I'll switch directions on a dime because I ride the momentum when it's there. If this is your first time watching me, then you'll see like kind of my trading style is I just go with the volume, go with the momentum. And keep tight risk. If you take a lot of shots like I do, you got to keep your wrist tight because you got to understand there's going to be some shots that you don't win, so you have to cut the bleeding out quickly. That way when you get in a winning shot, it makes it all back. 5 minutes until the open range, guys. Believe it's safe to say I can go ahead and put in the bottom range down here. Get that mapped in for us. There we go. And now we'll wait a little bit on that top range. So this gray line, this is our open range low. I don't think that's going to change. I mean, unless we just get absolutely choke slammed down something fierce. I mean, I'm not going to say it's impossible, but I'd be shocked. About 3.5 minutes, and then we can get the top range defined. Morning, Scalper. Good to see you, brother. And if you guys are just tuning in with us this morning, don't worry. We got the horse races ready to roll today. There will be plenty of horse races throughout the morning that you guys can make money on, get your picks in. I know a lot of people are already saying that they're rolling with horse number 3. Without even seeing them line up at the gate, they're picking horse number 3. I like it. That's commitment, man. I'm a committed person. Some people call me addicted, but I'm not. I think we're going to pop these again, so let's take the shot here. Stop under that wick for now. Just want to go clear those top wicks and see if we can push a little bit. We're trying. Stop in the profit right there. See if we can keep extending this. If not, I'm tagged in the profit. And that's all right. A little bit of profit there. That's fine. We came up and tested those wicks like I was wanting. Stopped in the profit. I'm okay with it. 1.5 minutes until this range is defined, guys. At this rate, I mean, 23.4 seems a very logical spot to go to. Let's bleed down maybe a little bit under 50. Maybe we'll get lucky. Okay. Take a starter right here at 50. Okay, might have been a decent starter. Let's see if we can go extend on up. If it does come down some more, depending on how much it comes down, maybe I can get another contract in. Ultimate stop loss right here, though. For now. "10 seconds, guys, then we got our first 15 minutes. See if we can get a little breakout." Okay. I don't mind it. All right, I don't know why that filled me right there. I didn't want to get filled. I mean, I made money, but I didn't want out of that trade. That's annoying. I think I clicked the wrong button on that. That's my bad. If you guys are still riding this long, I still think it's good. Likely come up to 75 here. Yeah, I'm going to have to chase a little bit here in the 70s. I didn't want out of that long. I don't know how that happened. I mean, I'm green on the day, but, you know, there was a lot more that I could have had on that. Okay. Take it right there. We're up 200 bucks. Nice and smooth. I don't know why it exited me out of that trade early. I didn't really want to be out, but it's fine. See how we do with this 75 area here. Take one more. Okay. Put that in the profit some more. Keep jabbing my way if I have to, guys. A little bit more. Okay, we'll ride it. All right. We're up 300 bucks. You know, we're getting there. Nothing crazy yet, but, you know, we're doing good, solid trading. Base hitting our way. Going to see what we can do here. Maybe we can break 23.4 right now. And if not, if we enter some like consolidation waiting on this data coming out, maybe we'll do a horse race just to pass the time. We'll see. Scalper says he'll bet his house for number 6. Are we going to go get 24 right now? It's possible. I'm going to chase it a little bit here. See if we can go grab 24. Yeah, I'm glad I chased. Take a little bit more here. Okay, we're up 400 bucks, jabbing our way. Nice and smooth morning. No tricks. See how we act here at 23.4 though. Can we pop that 23.4? Take a little shot right here. I think that we can go get above 400. We'll see. Put my stop down here under this wick though at 71. Okay, tagged right there. I thought that we could go break above 23.4. We still might. Let me see if we can firm up here. Maybe put in a flag or something. Yeah, I think that we can. I will not let it go down into the 50s on me though, guys. If we can get back above average, above 75 here, maybe I'll put another one on for the move up to 4. I think I will. Stop at this wick now. Just want to go clear that 400 spot, guys, is what I'm looking to do. I don't think we're done going up today is the thing. Morning, Chris. Good to see you, brother. Just looking to pop back above 75 here, guys, and then go get 400 is what I'm looking to do. Can we do the thing? Okay, let me take one of those off right there. Put this a little bit above break even here. Okay. We're out right there. I'm in the green a little bit. I still think that we can go get 400 is the thing. Let me take one more on here. Might have got stopped a little early right there. Yep. Let's go do the thing, baby. Can we go do it? Break 400 for us. I'm going to try to let this ride and then really extend above 400. We'll see if I end up regretting that. I don't think I will. It's just acting like it wants above 400 here, guys. Yeah. Stop in place right there, though. Worst case scenario. We make money. Pull it up a little bit more. Okay, come on. Let's do the thing. We're trying, guys. We are trying. Go, baby, go. Coming up on that 400 test. All right. Tagged right there. That's okay. Back up to 300. That's basically where I was before I took that little loss. You know, I got long right in here earlier thinking that we're going to ride the momentum and break 400. Well, obviously it came down. It stopped me. Then I was like, well, I don't think it's going to keep bleeding. So I went back in, basically made it back. So kind of scratched that little trade off right there. No harm, no foul, the way I'm looking at it. We are green. We got 5 minutes until this news candle comes out. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do a horse race, guys. We are going to do a horse race. All right, let's get it going. All right, guys. Put your picks in. Pick your horse 1 through 6 on Twitter and YouTube here. Everybody get your picks in. We got 4 minutes to do this race until our news candle comes out. So get your picks in now. Take a screenshot of your pick. What's up, Meredith, number 5? All right, everybody put your picks in right now. Make sure you take your own screenshot so you can DM me with the screenshot if you do win. A lot of number 3s. You guys are riding with that number 3. Okay, Sasha's on number 2. Philpott's back on number 2. Six won't have a head start, Josh. Like when I turn it on, they're all going to be even. There's no head starts here. So just get your picks in. I'm going to give you guys like 30 more seconds here. Barrage says number 1. Okay. Scalper Don's all in on 6. T's on number 5. All right, so somebody has to win this. I think you guys have picked every horse. So somebody's going to win. All right. Here we go. All right, guys. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to do the countdown. Everybody's nice and even here. Big payout if number 3 hits. All right, here we go, guys. 1, 2, 3. And they're off. Let's go, baby, go. Let's go. Okay, who's pulling ahead? Number 3 is not going to win, guys. I can tell you right now. Number 3 is done. Number 6 is kind of pulling ahead, guys. Number 6 might take it. Number 6 is just pulling ahead of everybody. Unless something crazy happens here, number 6 is going to do it. All right, number 6 is the winner. 6, 5. Then 3 kind of pulled it back together. 3 came in 3rd place. Okay, and number 1 just sucks. All right, number 6 won. Let me go see who my number 6s were. Let's see. Who got number 6 on this, guys? Pro Fast Guy had number 6. I know that much. Was worried about some foul play. Oh, Scalper Don hit number 6, baby. Okay. Scalper Don on Twitter hit number 6. A couple of you guys won it. That's only the first race. I mean, you guys have a chance for redemption. Three has disappointed me time and time again. I may need to reevaluate. Yeah, man, 3 can't get it together. All right, let's get back to the charts here. That was fun. All right, let's see what's going to happen here, guys. About 30 seconds, and we'll get this 10 a.m. candle. 3 sold the bag out of the gate. You guys love number 3 for some reason, man. Maybe we'll switch the color horses around next time. All right, 10 seconds, guys. 10 seconds. Six becoming sus now. That was a wild data candle. Let's see how that reacts. I'm glad we weren't in anything there, guys. That's why we wait. That's exactly why we wait. Get this thing time to work itself out here. We came down, touched open range low, didn't want to break it, at least for now. I mean, we could come and break it, I don't know. Okay, I'll put a little starter to the long side on here. Put a stop down here under this candle, so I'll risk 300 bucks. See if that wick can hold true, or if we just go back down and bleed out today. We'll see. Okay, tagged right there. It was worth the shot for me. Let's see if we can go break that open range low then. We're in the mid of the open range is where we're at right now. So we're right in the mid. Maybe we can go bleed then. I'll take a shot again. You guys know me. Looking to come down here to this gray line. Stop up here at these wicks right here, though. Let's see. Can we go down and break it? $50 is the magnet. It's trying to work itself out at 50 right here. I would like to come down and break under 300. That would be pretty cool. I'll take another little stab at it here, guys. I got 2 contracts on it. Looking for some fails. Looking for some fails. Stay under 50. Come down and show weakness. Drag this here to this wick. Take some risk off right there. and we'll try to bleed it down. Okay. Come down and bleed, baby. Come down and bleed. Yep. Stopping the profit guaranteed here. A little more. Why not? Come bleed it, baby. Come bleed. Keep bleeding. A little more there. Why not? We'll take more. Keep bleeding this thing. Come on down. Don't stop us, baby. Keep on bleeding. All right. We're stopped. We're back up 300 bucks. I still think we have some more that we can bleed, though, to be honest with you guys. Put another one in. Come on down, baby. Keep bleeding. We went back in. Don't let us down. Okay, keep it bleeding. Keep it bleeding, baby. All right, we're up 400 again, guys. I'm rolling back in, though. I want to go break this gray line. I'm getting aggressive here. Getting aggressive down here. I want to bleed, bleed, bleed. And I might actually find an opportunity to scale in some more on this. We'll see. Back up to that 50 magnet. I don't know if 50 can actually truly hold or not, but I'm about to get another one in it. I want to get a little bit more of a test on 50 here. Maybe I'll take it right there. So I got a 30 average. Okay, here's what we're going to do. Stop loss right here above this wick. That's my cutoff point. So I'm either going to be red 500 after this trade is over, or it's going to come down and bleed in a good way, and then we're going to go up big time. One of the two things will happen, and I'm okay with either outcome. Come on down and break 30, baby. Smash 30, then smash 20, then smash 300. That's what we're going for, baby. We need a Khabib candle. Pull this down some here. Come on down, baby. Pull it down a little bit more. Let's bleed. Blood in the water, guys. Blood in the water. Okay, keep it bleeding. Come on. Can we bleed? All right. Tagged right there. I'm still in the green on that. You know, I lost 200 bucks on that trade. That's fine. I still think that we got more blood in the water, though. I really do. I'm going to have to pull the ghillie again here, guys. It looks to me like we want to go down. See what we do with this 350 level here. 350 is the key to everything. So, stop right here. So 40 average, stop at 56, risking 16 points for a potential bleed out. We'll see. Come on down, baby. Let's crash the thing. Let's crash the market. Can we come on down and do it? I think it's a good possibility. We're surviving for now. Let me pull this down here. So now I'm going to make money, guaranteed. But I really want to bleed, so I'm not going to take any profit until I get a good bleed down. Okay, now we're starting to bleed, baby. This is what I was after. Can we keep bleeding, though? Keep bleeding, baby. Keep bleeding. Tagged in the profit right there. I'm up 600 bucks, and now the bleed out wants to happen, but it's okay. I secured some profit. Maybe I secured it a little bit too early right there, but hey, we're not going to go broke locking in profit, guys. Maybe I'll get one more here and just really go down and get that gray line. That's what I'm after. I do think the gray line's going to fail. Can we go bleed? We are trying, guys. Put this here in the profit, guaranteed at this point. We hit the gray line. All right, tagged a little bit more profit right there. That's fine. I thought that we were going to hit the gray line, and we did. I just didn't take profit fast enough. Secured a little bit more profit right there, so now I'm going to let it kind of reset and tell me if we're going to hold this gray line, and maybe we start climbing back up, or if I get an opportunity to go short again. I think we're going to break it, though. Come on down, baby. Crush it. Break it so hard that it goes off the chart.
Shift, you working me like I'm him, but that don't mean that I'm him. Babe, we on the kitchen counter, now we right on the floor. And the only time it's sour when the sour is rolled. I never wanna step on anybody's toes. That doesn't mean that I don't. That doesn't
stop right there. So I risk 170 on this one, not much, because I want to keep this run going. Whatever, we're up 420 still. I'm going to switch out this nicotine. Really get going. And was that the potential fail right here? We'll see. I think so. Come on, baby, crush it. This gray line is going to frustrate me until we either break it hard or until we get so far away of it that it's not a possibility anymore. Okay, I'm putting another one on. I really want to break the thing, guys. Come on, let's go break it. Let's slam down through this gray line and let's just bleed out properly. I believe it's trying, guys. So stop in the profit now, guaranteed, as I keep taking this shot. All right. A little bit of profit back. We're back up to 500. This is going to be the death of me right here. All right, come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Bleed, baby, bleed. Bleed, baby, bleed. This is what I was wanting. All right, more profit. Okay. We're up 600. That's basically right where I was. You know, I was like a shark in the water playing this gray line. I just had the feeling we were going to break under it, but I was keeping wrists tight, so I took a few shots to do it, but we got it. Okay. Gonna let this reset for a minute here. Morning, Philly. Good to see you, brother. Are we going to hold this open range low and, you know, get back up above it here, or are we going to keep bleeding out? About to find out. Looking like it could hold here to me. Put a stop. Well, maybe I'll put a stop if it will let me. Put a stop right here at that wick. And if it fails that wick, then I don't know how low that we can bleed out, so I'll be out. Put 2 on it. Sometimes we gotta risk it and go for it in life, guys. Okay, put that right there. A little bit more, why not? Pop up, baby, pop up. If we want to ride it all the way back up, sure. All right, tagged right there, no problem. Up 720. I'm okay with that little long scalp. It was a decent little shot. Made some money off of it. It was a good take profit right there. That's why I dragged that stop like that, like I do, guys, because if it comes and slams down, then I would have been the dummy that didn't take any profit there and gone red. I do think it is worth risking one more here, kind of the same spot at that wick. Now if we can go up and clear these candles, then I'll put my my stop loss right at the gray line in the profit. If we can't, then whatever. We lose 170 bucks on this one. We're just acting like we want to hold around this 300 spot, though, so I got a very, very tight risk on this one. All right, tagged with it. That's okay. Still up 540 on the day. Still pretty decent in the profit. Let this thing tell me if it does want to come back up and grab 300 or if we just want to keep bleeding down. Take another shot right here. See what this thing can do. Stop right here at this wick at 85. All right, tagged again. Okay, so we're going to keep bleeding a while. Maybe we come down and break under 275. Let's see. Yeah, it's fading for now, Matt, but it's, I don't know if it's going to keep fading, man. Like, it's not getting that far away from 300. We'll see. Yeah. I'm taking another stab at it here, guys. You know me. Stop at that wick again. I'm doing the same logic over and over again. Okay. So I'm back to even on the day, guys. That's fine. I mean, I like the shots that I've taken. I just didn't expect it to bleed down this much. And the crazy thing is, I'll probably take another long in a second here. Believe that I will. Go, baby, go. Okay. Stop in the profit here. A little bit of profit back. We're up 70 bucks. I want to see if we can get down close to 75. And once we come down to 75, I'll see how we react. What do you mean, ProFast guys? Save your horse race to the end of the week. You don't want the money in your account today? All right. I'm going again at it, guys. I want to go pop above that gray line. That gray line is my magnet. Might have faked me on that momentum right there, but I still think that we can come back up and get that gray line. Okay, let's see. Hold 70 here for us. If I can put a wick in, that's where I'll put my stop loss. Okay, stop loss at this wick. Now I know where my stop is defined at 68. Okay, I'm just getting chopped up on this bleed out, guys. I think that we're going to come back up and grab 75. And if we can come back up and grab 75, I'll take a long stab again. But if not, then I'm going to be thinking that maybe we go down and grab 50. All right, let's see how this green candle here does. 75 and 50 are my psych levels right now. Take one short to see if we can go on down and grab 50. Okay, here's that 75. Is this going to be when it actually goes long? That would be hilarious.
Order filled.
Okay. I'm in a tough range here personally today, guys. Looking at the 5-minute off screen, I want to see if we can come back down, maybe tap 75 again, and then that be my base to use a logical entry point. Yeah, that is the balance I was looking for. It just came at the worst time. Put it in the mid of this green candle here, because I don't want it to come back down and make a new low of day on me. And it looks like that's exactly what's going to happen. Yep. Okay. I have no read on it right now, guys, so I'm going to give this 5 minutes to see if I can get a better read on it, and if not, we'll do another horse race. All right, come on down to 50. Let's see. I'm going to give it a couple minutes here and see if we can come down to that 50, or if we're just going to keep bouncing up and barcoding like we're doing here. I'm getting caught a little bit in the barcodes, and I realize that that's happening, but you know, I keep taking my shots because that's just the way that I do it, guys.
She don't believe in the fairy tales, she don't believe in God. I told the girl when the summer chills, you get way too dark. She stood there with her left hand on a gun, right hand on her heart. She don't believe in the antidote, she wanna feel the pain. And every night is a holiday, it all feels the same. I never die, never despair, they're gonna know my name. We both know when you're up this high, only the ceilings change. I can fucking tell.
Gary's on lock now, Sniper. Yeah, I have to get on lock a little bit right now, man. I took maybe a couple too many shots right there. Got caught in some barcode stuff, so I'm just really dialing in right now to make this back. You know, I'm down 2,500. To be honest, guys, I mean, I've been down more than that. Many times, a lot more than that, actually. So I'm still comfortable with the amount that I'm down. I'm just, you know, I don't want to keep going down, so I'm just trying to focus up a little bit. But I do think we can go break under 50 the way that it's acting. Put one on here. See if 50 can get weak on us. Looking for some bleed out. All right, come on. We're trying to bleed. Let's see if we can keep it going. There we go. Drag this into profit with me. Nice. A little bit of profit back right there. Not as much as, I would like, but we made a little bit right there. So now I'm just going to keep seeing how this acts at 50. I don't think that's the bottom yet either, guys. Come on, baby. Keep it rolling. Can I bleed some more? That's what I want to see. Going to put this in the profit here. Okay. That's what we were looking for a little bit. Made a little bit more back. Only down 2,300 now. And coming back up to that 50 magnet. Let's see if we can reclaim 50 or if it stays weak on us. Take another little short stab here, guys. If we just want to keep bleeding down, then I'll just keep taking little jabs on the way down. Okay. Okay, a little bit of profit right there. I'll take it at this point. I think we're going to go get the 20s. I really do. And here we're trying to get the 20s. Yep, there was the 20s. Let's see how we act here.
You say you love me, but I don't believe it. 'Cause if you did, you'd be there when I need it. Drinking to ease all my pain, I've been tripping. Smoking 'cause lately I don't wanna feel shit. Having them thoughts telling me I should fix it. I wanna call, but I know that you're with him. You'd always be there, but now you've been distant. Yeah, I've been tripping, but I'm so numb. I'ma ride around the city with a chick just so I can feel shit.
I want to see if we can go fail the 20s and then maybe snap back up into the 20s. Or maybe we just hold the 20s all together. We'll find out.
I was with you when you was getting through your worst days. Yeah. You ain't even tell me happy birthday. Yeah. You knew that shit meant so much to me, but you don't really fuck with me, 'cause I was just a luxury. I'm starting to think that you wasn't even enough for me, shawty. Would you blast for me? Would you ride for me? If I needed you, would you come and take my side? I think I let you go. I used to never think that I could live without you.
Okay, I will take another little long stab here at 34. I would like to get another contract in this, but I want to see if I can get a slightly better entry. I just want to have a starter in case the bounce starts early. See if we can start the bounce right here, guys. Okay, I like it. I'm liking it pretty good. Okay, we'll take that. Only down 21 at this point. So we are on the comeback tour, guys. Another starter here. See if I can go grab the 50s. Stop under this candle. So that'll be like a cancel trade if I lose this.
It's a laugh. I hit that back door, Usain Bolt on the dash. Hey. Yeah, I'm cold like a draft.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gone just like that. It's a day, I ain't know it was that. Hey, it's okay, I left for
Okay, tag right there. I'm taking little paper cut hits today. Like I've taken, you know, a few hits, but I'm not like letting any one singular trade put me down $5 grand. I might have just gotten tagged a little early right there. I'm going to see if we can come down, go below this wick right here first. Because under this wick, I mean, I don't know when the next level would be. It's entirely possible that we could go under 200. Okay, getting into the teens here. 200 might be on deck. Let's see, guys. Okay, let's see if 200 can hold. We've got, let's see, what do we got? We've got 35 minutes of selling pressure that's been happening here. So we've been bleeding out for the last 35 minutes.
Smoking on a backwood, I'm stoned. I just hope I'm passing it.
Yeah, maybe Barash. I don't know, man. I've kept trying to think that the bottom is in this morning, and, you know, it keeps bleeding. So I'm going to just try to play this momentum and, you know, trade accordingly to what it gives me.
So we raised all our glasses and we took a toast tonight. But we all
I mean, we could come all the way down to 175 at this rate.
so cheers to nothing.
We are getting pretty extended, though. I'll put a little starter long in right here, guys. Thinking that 75 might end up holding for us. We'll see. I do think that a snap back is due.
So we raised all our glasses and we took a toast tonight. But we all got too drunk, we know them words won't come.
See if we can get back up into the 90s, then push back to 200. Is what I would like to see happen here. Maybe Maybe come up to the mid of this red candle. We'll see. Man, this is not want to stop selling. I'm still thinking that 75 can firm up, and then we can get a little bit of a relief bounce here. Stop down here under that wick. See if that wick wants to be the bottom.
Order filled.
Put one more on it. I'll risk $1,000 on this trade to potentially make a decent amount back here. And if, you know, we're about to get above my entry here. Here we go. Pull this up to this candle. So now I'm risking 500 bucks. Okay, and that's what it is. All right, guys. So while we see if this selling pressure can maybe stop, we'll do another horse race. We'll take a break from the bleed out here. It'll give myself a little reset, do a little horse race. Maybe some of you guys can make some money on it, and then I'll look and see kind of where we're at afterwards. I'm going to, before we do the horse race, let this bleed out a little bit more, and I'll put a long starter on, because I do think we're too extended down here, in my opinion. So we'll switch our OBS cam over to the horse race cam. Blake says number 3, lock me in. Okay. Okay. We're in the profit a little bit. Before we do this race, I'm going to try to scale up into this. 1 second here. And we got more bleeding coming, guys. More bleeding. See how we do at 50. This is a short seller's paradise today, guys. This is not my market. I can't help but thinking that we're pretty extended to the downside, though, guys. I mean, I just can't help but think that we're due to come back up some. Let's see. We'll do the race in 1 second here, guys. Let me just manage this long that we're in. Or that I'm in. I don't even know if you guys are in the long right now. Okay, maybe. Let's see if we can survive this here. I really feel like we're too extended to the downside. But I mean, I've been feeling that way for the last half hour. Stop here under this wick, because if we make another low of day, I mean, I can't just keep bag holding something, guys, so I would take the hit. So 58 average, I got 5 contracts. That's plenty of size for me. And if it, you know, wants to go to low of day, then that is what it is. See if we can flip green here on it, guys. We're trying. Maybe we can go up and get 75s, and from there, maybe make a push back to 200. That would be best case, but, you know, we are in a rough patch here. Okay, can we do it? Okay, it's trying. Okay. Can we keep it pushing? Take one of those off there to lock a little bit in. Start pulling my stop up with me. Okay. All right. There we go, guys. We made $1,000 back, just like that. Jesus. Okay. So I'm only down 2K. That's very manageable. I'm a couple trades away from green at that rate. We'll do a horse race. Let me see what's going on with my camera here. 1 second. 1 second, guys. I think my camera is a little... Technical difficulties on the camera. Give me 1 second here. I'm glad I sold my long right there. All right, I believe that we're back up on with the camera and running. Yes, we are back. All right, sorry about that, guys. Okay. So, we're back and running. I'm going to get these horses set for us. Let me get my chats pulled back up here. Okay. So, here we go. Put that one in this spot. This one, we can put you here. Number 3, let's put number 3 in the number 2 spot right now. 1 second here. Number 1, where are we going to put you? We're going to put you number 3. You come here. And you come here. Okay. The horses are set, guys. So put your bets in. All right, everybody give me your horse bet. The way this works is if you pick the correct horse, we put $100 into your Halcyon account. Clearly, my trading has not been on point today, I'll tell you guys. But I'm only red 2,000. I'm within striking distance at that level. I still think I can come back and get some longs on this today. I don't think this bleeding will continue into the close. But in the meantime, we're about to do some horse betting. So I'll give you guys 60 more seconds here. And remember, when you're putting this bet in, take your screenshot. Because if you win, I'm going to need you guys to send me a screenshot of the chat that you picked the correct horse and DM it to me on Twitter. And if you're correct, then I can get you paid. Gary should be eligible. Dude, they're not going to let me be eligible. Let's see. All right. Get your bets in, guys. Get your bets in right now. Today I go for 4. All right, V. Let's see if you can do it. Let me start the track up here. All right, guys. About 10 seconds here, and I'm going to launch us. All right, Barrage says 6. ProFast says 6. A lot of you guys are gunning for number 6. My boy Blake is still holding true with number 3. All right. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Right now, it's going to be number 6 or number 5. If number 6 wins again, then I'm going to think something's up here. Oh, number 5 might do it, guys. Number 5 is going to be the one. Yep, number 5 is the winner, guys. Number 5 is the winner. Dude, number 3 cannot get it together. All right, there it's in there. All right, number 5. Let me see who picked number 5. Did anybody pick number 5? You guys didn't pick number 5? Oh, T did. Okay. Dang, T's on it. Okay. I know he won yesterday as well. All right, so number 5 is the winner, guys. Something is rigged with number 3. I'm through with number 3. Hit my stop loss. Let's see. Oh, Noah picked 5 too. Okay, Noah was locked in on number 5. All right. I'm 5 all day, every day. Okay, I like it. Okay. Now, I'm going to go back to work here. Be very cautious as I'm doing this. Blake's going to keep riding number 3 all the way, man. I love it. All right, so remember, send me in your screenshots from both races here. Meredith said I was supposed to pick 5 again, but fixed lemon water and missed it. You know what, Meredith? Before I end the stream, we'll do one more race. I'll do one more race for you guys in just a bit here. Let me see if I can make anything happen on the charts. in this sea of red that we're in today. See if I can catch a little long entry. Put one on right here, 69 average. That seems like as good of an average as any. Let's just get back under 2,000 and then I'll feel mentally ready to go.
It hurts that we don't talk now. I feel your aching pain. I'm all wrapped up in myself when nobody left to blame. And I'm sick of throwing rocks in the middle of the dark. Where do I belong if it's
Man, more bleeding coming, huh? Stop loss right down here at this wick at 50. I don't want to get under the 50s on it. Let's see if we can get up into the profit on this one here, guys. And if we can, I'll start pulling my stop loss up to be safe, okay? I like it. Let's go do the thing. Okay, I'm really liking this, guys. I think we timed a good entry here. What about that, baby? I'm back like I never even left. What about this? Do I still know how to trade, or do I know how to trade? A little bit more, why not? Let's run it up, baby. Boom, baby. I'm only down $1,000. I'm only down $1,000. Here's the thing. I'm not trying to be a dick when I say this, and I really appreciate the person. You know, I think they were probably looking out for me, and I do appreciate that. Somebody said, you know, that I should just stop for the day. My stuff wasn't working. I fully admit it. I admit everything to you guys. You know, I do all my trades live in front of you. I don't hide anything. Yeah, obviously I know my trades weren't working. I was getting paper cut, but I liked every setup I was taking. I wasn't going on tilt. I wasn't just gambling. I was taking logical setups, and the ball just didn't go in. However, you know, I know my setups, I know my risk level, and I have to keep taking my shots, you know, because that's what we do as traders. I do appreciate the person, you know, I think you were looking out for me that maybe I should just hang it up for the day. But, you know, I was seeing setups there, and as long as I see setups, I'll take them. And I'm okay if I have a red day. I'm truly fine with it. But, you know, I just go for it because I know that one of my shots is going to hit. And the way that I structure my risk reward, I don't risk much on any singular trade. Granted, you know, I was getting paper cut over and over, and it was adding up. But, you know, I wasn't going crazy on the risk, and now we're right back in striking range, baby. Assuming the best and people talking smack. You know, man, like, here's the thing about life. I mean, you have two ways that you can look at it. You can choose to, like, just see the worst in people or be negative. That doesn't give me any benefit. So if you just give people the benefit of the doubt until they give you a good enough reason to understand they're not on your team, I just assume that everybody in this chat, that we're all on the same side. Futures are ours. We're all here to have fun, that we're on the same team. So, you know, I'm going to assume that the guy was looking out for me, and I do appreciate that. But, you know, at the same time, I've been at this for 10 years, guys. I've made a lot of money trading, and you know, I've taken some big losses in the pursuit of doing that. But I know if I stick the course, the method that I've developed, I always come out ahead in the end. So I'll keep shooting my shot. You know, even if, say this is somebody's first stream watching me, okay? If this was their first stream watching me and they saw earlier on before we just did that race, like, dude, this guy sucks. He just keeps taking loss after loss. If that's your assumption, if you think I'm a trash trader, dude, I mean, you're entitled to your opinion. At the end of the day, it doesn't affect my bills. It doesn't affect my income. If you think I'm a trash trader, that's your opinion. I'll keep doing what I'm doing. I mean, I'll keep making the amount of money that I make until I don't. So, you know, I try not to see bad in anybody. I really do. Thank you, ProFast Guy. I appreciate that. Yeah, we're back like we never even left, baby. And here's the thing, guys. Most of trading comes down to your outlook and how you choose to look at things. I mean, how you can control your emotions. That's the hardest part with trading. Like, picking the right entry or, you know, understanding how to read a chart better than somebody. That's not really the most important thing in my opinion. Like, sure, those things can help you some, but if you can't, you know, control your own emotions, regulate it, it doesn't matter. So I've never claimed to be the best chart reader, the best technical trader. I think I'm good at what I do, but I just keep doing me. I control my own emotions. I come on here, give you guys the best setups I see at the time. They work out more than they don't. And we have fun doing it, guys. I mean, that's, you know, when we all stop having fun on here, then that's when I'll stop doing the streams. But as long as we're having fun, we're all making money, we'll keep them up. You know what? Even if today was a red day, it happens. That's trading, guys. You're not going to be green every day. Anybody that claims they are, that's just not true. I'm sorry to tell you. So I do believe that authenticity is what sells. And if you're an authentic person that comes through, people either decide if they like you or they don't. I mean, the market decides if they like a personality or not. But either way, I'll be authentic with you guys. But now, I think we're in a very dangerous spot, and the reason why, I'll show you guys. So, let me switch over to the 5-minute chart, and I'll explain why I think this. Okay, so why I think right here we're in a dangerous spot. On the 5-minute, you can see we're almost to the middle of this gray line and this bottom right here. So that means it's dang near a 50-50 shot as to if we will come back down and go lower or if we'll come here and go to the gray line. We got a 50-50 shot, so that's what makes it dangerous. Granted, I mean, looking at this selling pressure, I kept trying to go long. Hindsight's 20/20. It wanted to keep bleeding out, but when I was going long all those times, it was a logical assumption. I mean, look, we were just bleeding out so much. I'm like, okay, well, we're due for a little bounce. We weren't, and that's trading. That's how the cookie crumbles sometimes. But we're in striking range right now. I'm only down $1,000. I was down 3K realized and like another 1K unrealized. So I guess technically 4K at my lowest today. We held it together. I did a little mental reset there with the horse race. A couple of you guys made some money, and now I'm only down $1,000. So we'll go green on the day. And you know, there's been, you know, sometimes when we're doing longer streams this week, we really are. But there's been a few times, you know, over the couple weeks that like maybe I'll end the stream a little bit red because the market's chopping, it's doing nothing. I'm like, all right, man, I need a mental break. Let me go get another coffee, and then I come back and go green. I can't help that. You know, I'm not doing any like shady stuff off camera or anything. It's just, well, I can't help that while the stream was rolling, the market wasn't giving me my setup. I'm a trader, so when I come back, you know, even if the stream's not rolling, I mean, I'm still allowed to trade, guys. And, you know, that's how it happens sometimes. Like, I think maybe yesterday might have been one of those days, but like now I was down 3K a second ago. If I would have ended the stream, it would have looked like I'm down 3K because I was, and then that trade that we just did, now I'm back. There would always be some random person on Twitter waiting to say, oh, real convenient, and I don't know what to tell you guys. This is trading. Futures are, that's right, Sasha. Futures are ours now. Yeah, that's the thing, Philly. Like, you can't let anybody tell you how to trade. Like, even me, guys, like, you guys might have a different system than I have. Maybe you trade a little bit differently than me. Don't even let me tell you how to trade. You got to, like, go in your own flow state. Trade with what you think that you see, because ultimately you're your own person and you see your account and your chart better than anybody else. So you got to go with your plan. But I try to be respectful to everybody. I hear everybody out. Like, I assume that maybe you're trying to give me some advice, and I do appreciate that. I don't disregard that. I'm very appreciative for everybody that comments on here, but at the end of the day, I got to stick with what I do. Like, I try to show everybody the decency, treat everybody like a human being, understand that we're all here to make money. Maybe there's some days that I'm just not hitting, guys, and like I say it all the time, like, man, I'm not hitting today. I never come on here and claim to be the best trader in the world or the expert trader. I come on here to show you guys the setups that I see, have fun with you, and hope that we all make money together. I do want to see, like, maybe we're putting in a little bull flag right here. It's possible. I'll take a little stab. Stop under that wick of this candle right here. And if we can start getting above this candle, I'll move my stop into the profit. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens with it, guys. Okay, stop in the profit. Well, man, I am not clicking volumetric or right today. Stop right there at break even. Tried to put it in the profit, it just didn't happen. There we go. Now it's in the profit. Okay, I'm liking it. See if we can keep it rolling. Alright, we made $200. We're only down to $800 now, guys. I told you guys we were in striking range. And you guys saw that I put tight risk on that. I was risking the bottom of that wick right there. And we are on the 5 minute right now. That's why, maybe it looks a little bit different than the 2 minute that you're used to. Old soul for sure. He's a family. Dude, here's the thing. I'm 30 years old. But the life that I've lived, guys, I mean, it's not been... I feel like I've got 70 years of life experience. I mean, I had another life that I fought in cages through college. I was a cage fighter. I had a lot of fun doing it. I had a rough home life with my dad. I'm not making any excuse. I'm glad for everything that happened to me. I think it helped make me who I am. My dad had a very, very bad battle with drugs. My entire life growing up, it killed him. When I was very young, it killed him. People broke into his house, when I was like 4th grade or something. So, all these dudes busted in, broke into the house, gunshots start flying, and I'm a kid, I see this, so you grow up fast. Had to get out of it, put myself through college. Did very well for myself with trading, made millions and millions of dollars, only to have the FBI and the Department of Justice try to strip it away by lying about me. Fought a federal case with a less than 2% chance of winning. I won. That aged me by a lot, guys. Going through that experience, having the FBI bust in, you don't even know why. Having, every news station in the country make up lies about you. Go through a 2-year legal battle. You grow up fast, guys, and you have to be a fighter. And at that point, after you've been through stuff like that, guys, then there's really not much out there that, can kind of shake you. But, all you can do is the best that you can. You keep showing up every day, doing the right things. Fate's on our side. I think the universe works itself out. So when I talk about being a gangster, you better believe it, especially when I'm rolling to Starbucks every morning with a 5-pound Yorkie in my lap. That's the most gangster thing I've ever done.
Listen to me a minute, don't get offended. Saw you searching for another woman's attention. You should admit it, it's just my opinion. Why don't you get it off your chest? And I don't gotta tell anybody, I'm just happy I'm here. I just hope that I can thank somebody.
See what we're going to do with this 200 level, guys. Dude, I'm only down $800. I'm right there at the green level. I just want to see what we're going to do if we can go below this wick right here and maybe make new lows. I don't want to get trapped in another long here. Now we're focused up. Or if we hold this wick and get back above this green body candle right here, I'll go long. So this green body candle right here, guys, with the long wick, that's what I'm looking to go long above. If we break under this wick, I'll probably look to get short. So this wild looking candle right here is kind of going to be my directional compass on this one. Thank you, Philly. I appreciate the kind words over on Twitter, brother. What kind of drink is that, Chris? Venti caramel ribbon crunch frappe. Dude, I can't even read what you're telling me here. That sounds like a Candyland drink. I mean, I'll try it one day, but, why not? Yeah, exactly, Josh. What language is he typing, man? I don't speak that language. I mean, I'm not going to knock it. I'll try it one day, but I got to write that down and just show it to him to make it. All right, taking my long right here because it's getting above that spot that I was talking about. I'm going to put a very tight stop here under this body, so I'll risk $100 on this because I'm in the comeback tour. I don't want to really, okay, $100 is what it is. I don't really want to risk too much. But I do think that we are going to come back up above 200 here. Let me throw another one on. Let's see here. Can we keep doing it? Stop under this wick right here. So I'll risk 400 bucks on this. That's enough risk for me. Let's get up to the top of that red candle, maybe, and push this thing up. Could be forming a bull flag here. Could be the early signs of a bull flag forming. But if it breaks under this wick, I would be real cautious and think that maybe the bull flag is going to fail. Push, baby, push. If we can get green on this trade, maybe we'll do another horse race. I know my boy Blake wants to bet on number 3 again. Push, baby, push. Let's roll.
Doing so good, like last week. Caught us making out in the backseat. You were running through my mind.
Can we hold this bull flag, or are we going to fail it? That's what we're waiting to see.
You said that you moved on. Well, that's swell. Then you begging me to come to your hotel. How'd I end up here again, baby? But oh well. I tell myself I won't, then I let myself down. Everything has changed, I know. It's like it ain't the same no more.
If we can get back above my average, maybe I'll put another contract on it, on the confirmation that we're holding 75, but as of right now, we're in the weeds. Alright, stopped right there. That's okay. See if we can go get new lows, maybe. I'm going to have to stick with it, but if it dies, I'll rethink it. Yeah, I mean, honestly, man, at this point, I'm pulling for number 3. I might bet on number 3 myself with you. Let's see. Maybe I just got tagged on the stop right there. We'll find out. New 5-minute candle about to form here. See if we can go grab low of day maybe at this rate. It's possible. I'll try to go with the direction of the day and put one on for low of day. See if I can go grab low of day. Stop loss above this candle here. Give me some fails, baby. Give me some fails. I just want low of day. We're trying, guys. We are trying. Fail these wicks for us. Okay, maybe. Bring the stop down.
I could fuck little mama with no lip lock. Bitch, you know what time it is on this watch. Got that loud stuff in the ziplock. And the cops outside tell them kick rocks. I got models coming in and out, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I got it in, gotta get it out, you know what I'm saying?
Can we go do it?
Still got a drip when I'm in a drought, you know what I'm saying? Please don't slip on the way out, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Running around doing shit I can't acknowledge. I'm gone and you still ain't being honest. You should tell them what you told me back in August. I know one could make it come like I did. Bad bitches call, gon' pick 'em up. All your friends been trying to link with us.
Give me some fails.
My phone ringing up. Ring, ring, ringing up. Oh, I got money to fold, I got money to blow. Oh, you singing and swimming, I got some money to flow. We both wanted the real, I just wanted it more. We got cops at the door, I can't talk anymore. Yeah, don't get
Might get tagged for $200. We'll see.
so you know the cause, know what I'm saying? Yeah, don't get lost in the sauce, know what I'm saying? Don't get lost trying to win your little games. You know what I'm saying?
Order filled.
All right, tag for $200 right there. That's fine.
Feeling down. Calm as a bitch that I like to keep around. This music in my head so fucking loud. And it's the only thing that keep me round, keep it down, I'm saying. I might be the flyest.
Not convinced though.
Call me to come and fly. I ran it up, yeah, you can check the mileage. Check the watch, check the diamonds. So it's perfect timing. Better watch your fucking tongue and what you say to me. Cause the way you talk that fucking talk, that ain't okay with me. Better walk that walk or walk your bitch ass away from me. Don't
Come on down, baby.
unless you gotta fucking play
Order
for me.
filled.
Sizing into it here.
Gon' pick 'em up. All your friends been trying to link with us. Can't blame me, my phone ringing up. Ring, ring, ringing up. Oh, I got money to fold, I got money to blow. Oh, you sick,
Looking for a low of day.
some money to flow. We both wanted the real, I just wanted it more. We got cops at the door, I can't talk anymore. Yeah, don't get lost in the sauce, know what I'm saying? Don't be spending until you know the cause, know what I'm saying? Yeah, don't get lost in the sauce, know what I'm saying?
Give me some fails.
Tryna win your little games, you know what I'm saying? I got models coming in and out, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I got it in, gotta get it out, you know what I'm saying? Hey, still got the drip when I'm in a drought, you know what I'm saying? Please don't slip.
Okay. Stopping the profit here no matter what.
Order
Okay. Made the $200 back right there. We'll take it.
order filled.
Put another one on. I'm going to switch back over to the 2-minute. I like it a little better.
I feel like in my mind it's a living hell.
But I've been on my grind if you couldn't tell. Just trying to move forward to stay today.
I'm in the pursuit of low of day, guys. Hot pursuit.
I can't take the pain no more, so I say that I'm doing fine and I feel okay. Just trying to move forward to stay today. So I light it up just to fade away. Just to fade away, yeah, ay. Just to fade away, yeah, ay.
I don't think we would come back down this close to low of day without at least coming to touch it.
It's just a J. I'm wondering if they gon' remember me. I'm sitting on this flight, it's back to LA. But I don't give a fuck about the industry. I'm living out of sight, I've been having long nights. I just charge it to the game, shit my credit looking light. Feel like I might die tonight, bury me in off-white. Have a party at my funeral, cause we gon' do it right. They don't never wanna grind, all I ever did was right. Now they wonder how I made it, all these problems in my mind.
And if we can get under 60, I'll probably put another one on. Have my finger on the trigger here, ready to do so. We'll see. Tapping 60. All right, I got my second one on right here at 60. 60 is going to be a key level, it looks like. That's where we're wicking at.
So I light it up just to fade away, just to fade away, yeah, ay. Just to fade away, yeah, ay, ay. Just to fade away, yeah, ay, ay. Just to fade away, yeah, ay, ay. Just to fade away, yeah.
Stop right here, getting back into that range. Come on down, baby. Fell it.
Life gets hard when you get down. I'm just trying to figure my shit out. Cover my hurt with a fake smile. In so deep, think I might drown. I was lying in the field for the sunflower. Trying to see things on the bright side. Then the sun came down from a high power. And it said you gotta take it easy. I know life can be hard. I need something to believe.
Can we get this 60 fail here, guys? Can we do it? If it fails, I think it can fail in a big way. At least under 50 if 60 fails. All right, tagged right there. That's okay. All right, guys, so we're going to do one more horse race, and then I'll probably take a small trading break. So let's get this reset over here. Let's get it reset, guys. Okay. All right. Place your bets, guys. Give me your horse numbers here. 1 second here. Let me reset this for us, and we're going to be good to go. Change up the colors a little bit. 5 on it. Okay, Noah's with number 5. Blake, where you at? Are you going number 3 again, or what you doing? I'm going to go number 3 with you. All right, let's get this centered back, guys. Okay. Oh, the commissioner's going number 3 with me. All right, let's get your bets in, guys. Blake's number 3. I like this, guys. We're gunning for number 3. And there was that short, guys. That short I was looking for just stopped me out. That's the way that it's been going today. The ideas have been there. It's just I got stopped. That's all it comes down to. But that would have been a killer short. That's kind of what I was looking for. Thanks, Chris, on it. All right, 3 for me. Okay, V's going 3 again. Matt's on number 4. Dude, we had the right idea on that short, guys. That would have been a killer trade. That's the way that it's been going today, though. That's okay. I go with the rigger. Dude, I'm not rigging this. Meredith's on number 5. Okay. All right, guys, remember, get your screenshots. Like, you got to get these screenshots here. That way, if you do win, you have proof that you won. Yeah, always another bust. That's the thing, guys. I mean, that short would have worked out, but, you know, I had my stop set where it was set, and that's just the way that it goes. Okay, so about 15 seconds here. I'm going to give you guys a little bit more time. See what we're looking at. Josh is on 6. Farrell's on 2. Mike's on number 5 again. All right, guys, $100 race coming up here. All right, guys. 1, 2, 3. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on, number 3. Come on, number 3. Don't you let us down. Do not let us down. Number 3, you're letting us down. Why did I bet on you? Let's close number 2's down. Why did you do that, number 3? Dude, number 6 is the champion horse today. Wow. Rigged. All right, number 6 is the winner. 6, 5, 4 coming in the gate. Oh, 3. Okay. 1 sucks. Number 3 let us down, guys. All right, let's see who picked number 6. Carl, you picked number 6. I see you. Josh, you picked number 6. Good job. Nobody on Twitter picked 6. Okay. That 5 is a winner. 6 gates didn't go. Yeah, 6 was the winner. Dude. 6 died. All right, guys. Well, send me in your screenshots of that. This was a fun stream with you guys. We probably got more bleed out that we can do here today. So I'll scalp this, make it back, and then see where I end, toward the end of the day. But overall, I had a very fun stream. I'm a little bit red. It is what it is. That's trading, guys. Today just wasn't my day. All right, so I'll see you guys in a bit.